Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I want to show you how to work with layouts in the company view. What I'm looking at right now is I am looking at Nelson Mandela from the ABC Company Inc. And I want you to observe over here that I have a checkbox field called Vanilla A. And you'll note, or you might have seen in some past videos in teaching, I'll allude to a contact as being an ice cream company. And one of the checkboxes I have is vanilla to denote that they like vanilla ice cream. If you check it, that means they love vanilla ice cream. If it's unchecked, they don't like it. So I have this in my layout right here. But again, the ABC company is a company in Act. So if I come down here and click on companies, you're going to see it's listed right here. Now, the idea of a checkbox is to denote that they like something, or either it's true or false is really how I should describe it. But when I look at this, you'll see that the vanilla option, that checkbox, is not here in this layout. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to add this to the layout, the vanilla option. I'm going to go up to Tools, and I'm going to go down to Design Layouts, and I'm going to click on Company. So now what's going to happen is, typically if you've seen any of the tutorials I've done on working with layouts, you'll notice that most of the layouts I do are related to working with a contact. Now what I did is I have two monitors in my office, so I literally just brought this screen over from the second monitor. So here is my company layout, which is different than my general contact layout. I'm going to come over here and click on Yes, No field. I'm going to come over to this area and I'm just going to click and sort of draw, and a little checkbox will come up. Here it says Vanilla A. I'm going to click on Add. That's there. Usually what I'll do is I'll just put this, I don't know why, I just like to have it to the right of the checkbox, and I'm just going to get this in there a little bit, bring it down. I'm going to go up, click on Save, and now what I've done is I've added Vanilla A to my company layout. I'm going to click on the drop down. It might have to refresh, but now you'll see that I have Vanilla A. I had a couple vanillas in here, that's why it has the A at the end, but I'm just going to call it vanilla. Now I have this here. So let's go in and look at one of these contacts in Act. I'm going to click on the contact down below, and you'll notice that Vanilla A is not checked off for this person. I'm going to go up and click on Back. I could also click on Companies, but I can click on Back much like a browser to go back to where I was, or Forward to go forward to where I was. Now I'm going to click on Vanilla A. I'm going to come click on Winston Churchill again, and when I do that, it's going to note, hey, wait a minute, you've changed something here. Do you want to update the linked fields? And because vanilla is a linked field, I'm going to say yes. So what I'm basically telling Act is, anyone in this company, anyone, because these are in the company's area of Act, I'm going to say yes, let's update Vanilla A for anyone that's attached to this. So I'm going to click yes. Now when I go to Winston Churchill, you'll see that Vanilla A is checked. If I click on Companies again, the way instead of getting to one contact, if I right click either up here on the ABC company or right click on any of the contacts down here and go create lookup, I'll see everyone in here. So I'm going to double click on the first one. You'll see that's Vanilla A. If I go to the next one, next one, next one, so on, it's all Vanilla A. Let me go back down to companies, and because I'm on the ABC company, I'm going to uncheck this. I'm going to try to navigate away from this. And again, because I'm moving away, it's going to say, hey, do you want to update this? To uncheck vanilla, I'm going to click yes. Now it updated it, and you'll see Vanilla A is off for all of these contacts. So working with companies is a powerful way to modify data that's relevant to that particular company in the company's layout. One of the things that I always find a little awkward about doing these tutorials is the way I continuously refer to a company and also refer to companies, that is the way Act phrases it. To a certain degree, I wish they had called that something different. I think it would have been less awkward in the naming and the use of this tool. But that's just some of the things you can do when working with companies. You can modify layouts, you can create fields and have those fields linked to the company so they link back to the contact. So it's a quick way of modifying information. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Tony Holowitz. Thank you very much. Have a great day.